Hi, and welcome to Tool Zone. Today's video is packed with astonishing skills and seamless execution. These aren't just tasks. This is where hard work meets art. Take a seat and step into the world of true professionals. Teamwork is impressive on its own, but when people are swinging sledgehammers in perfect unison, it becomes a high-stakes performance. One wrong move, and what looked like flawless coordination instantly turns into a suspense scene. The bees may not be thrilled about visitors in hazmat suits collecting their honey, but these suits let beekeepers do their job safely and without worry of stings. A pizzaiolo sent from the heavens. That's him right there. The way he spins that dough. It's like watching a world champion of juggling in action. You could watch all day. Or better yet, just order a slice. Where smart thinking takes over, brute force isn't needed. Absolutely stunning, and the shape of the glass is so creatively blown that you can't help but watch in awe as the process unfolds. Be honest, you thought lifting that massive stack was a lost cause, didn't you? But surprise, it turns out it can be done, and the success is pretty incredible. Domino chains are already captivating, but add a spark, literally, and you've got a visually explosive spectacle that keeps your eyes glued to the screen. It almost feels wrong to eat something that looks this stunning. Confidence in one's hands is already half the victory, and this professional wields the tool like it's part of his own body. Every cut is exact, the material gives way smoothly, and it feels more like watching a surgeon than a worker. Winding thick cables onto a giant spool isn't exactly like wrapping up a ball of yarn. It takes some serious machinery. Luckily, parts of it are automated, otherwise you'd be stuck watching the process on loop forever. Corn-based Chinese street food isn't just something to eat, it's a performance. From a humble kernel to a sizzling aromatic treat, the transformation is so tempting, you'll want a bite, in probably seconds. A runny dough is prepared to create ultra-thin flatbreads, which will later be used as wraps for various fillings. Rectangular metal mesh sheets are rolled into cylindrical shapes using a specialized machine. It's incredibly creative and stylish. Just a few simple tools, and yet the possibilities are endless. That's how you make something truly original out of the ordinary. Why not get creative? A regular construction spatula actually works great in the kitchen, from flipping pancakes to tossing salads. Who knew it was so versatile? Need to strip off old layers of paint or plaster at home? This tool is exactly what you need. It makes surface prep fast and effortless. You'll be amazed at how smooth the results are. Here's a car care hack every auto enthusiast should know. With just a little effort and this simple trick, your vehicle can look showroom fresh every day. The way he peels fruit with such speed and accuracy makes you question why we even use machines. Some skills are simply unmatched. This is what baked perfection looks like. You can almost smell the aroma through the screen. Bet someone's already trying to. This factory-grade machine slices through ice cream so perfectly you'll instantly crave a bite, or maybe two. After that stylish shearing, this sheep looks like she just walked out of a luxury salon. She's definitely the trendsetter of the flock now. Having trouble slicing sausage or meat efficiently? This cooking pro shows how it's done with ease. This guy has absolutely mastered the art of painting hats with perfect precision. That hat couldn't be in better hands. True craftsmanship at work. Here's a clever trick for replacing a damaged laminate board. Quick and effective. You don't need actual wood to build. Using templates, you can imitate the look of wood quite convincingly. Who knew slicing a cucumber could turn into a form of art? The result is stunning. Suddenly, it's not just a garnish, but the star of the plate. Ripped carpet, no problem. There's now a smart fix that's quick and easy. With a little technique, your carpet will look brand new. No one will ever guess there was damage. Wow, these mesmerizing patterns are so captivating, it's hard to look away. Looks like Rapunzel left something behind here. True beauty always lies in the fine details. Precision and efficiency like that don't come overnight. This guy clearly has years of practice behind him.